Well, howdy our people is. They're out here just playing. And, yep, Dad figured out what my plans are, and he's not happy, which I expected. But it is what it is. I told him, I said, it's either this, or maybe hope somebody will donate a car to me, which I doubt anybody would ever do, or I ask for your help to get the stupid car replaced, which I don't think you want to do either. And so he's like, not happy at all with any options I've got. So, but that's partly his fault for not encouraging and supporting me trying to get my own business going, since I can't seem to get a freaking job in this stupid town. I mean, I've tried fast food, I've tried, since I was 14 years old, I've tried to get a job in this town with something, anything, and nothing works out. And I would really rather have my own business of being a pet groomer, dog trainer, dog walker, pet and house sitter, that kind of thing. But he's like, no, you'll never make a living doing that, and I don't want any clients' dogs here, and blah blah blah. And so I'm like, well, dude, you just basically have shot my feet out from under me, and I'm now in a predicament where I need my car replaced, not fixed up, replaced. And I know that's expensive as heck in this economy. So I'm hoping that this works out and I'll be able to get something that's like new to me, like $3,000 to $7,000, somewhere around in that range. And I won't have to ask him to help me pay for it, because then he'll be like, well, then you owe me blah 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 this much back, because that's how he's been for years, is anytime he's gotten anything for us. I mean, one of these years he got me a digital camera similar to the one I'm using, supposedly for my birthday. And he was like, well, you owe me $100-something back. And I'm like, dude, that doesn't make that a gift, you know? And it really insulted me that he was saying it was for my birthday or whatever, and then saying I would have to pay him back for a gift. That just doesn't make sense to me, and it makes me very, very, very upset still. Because at the time, it was in 2008, and I had just got on the SSI. And, yeah, so quit crowding me, please. I don't like being, bothered right now. Anyway, sorry people, but I'm just letting them be totally normal dogs for now. And anyway, so yeah, frustrating. So yeah, it is what it is. And like I said, I'm not really going to be able to keep any of the money at all from the puppies. It's going towards getting my car replaced. And something that's not really going to count as an asset thing with the SSI people, because it'll be it'll only be $3,000 to $7,000. It won't be like anything more than that. And here we go. Now she's like really running. Silly thing. They really get going. It's really hilarious. But anyway, yeah, it is what it is. Very frustrating situation. He's basically kept me from my life, and that really, really makes me mad. I'm almost 39 years old. In 4 days I'll be 39. And I see all these other people, they've had their jobs, they've had their whatever, their lives go the way they planned and stuff. And no, it's like it's somehow a crime that I get the same thing. And I'm sick of it. I'm just really sick of it. So I told him, I said, frankly, I feel like you don't care how I feel, what I want with my life. I feel like you don't care at all about my plans or anything about me. So, frankly, I'm just done with this. I'm going to be inheriting this stupid house. I might as well do what I can now to get things rolling so I can get off this stupid SSI, because look at this place. It's big and it needs a new roof. And I'm not going to be getting any inheritance, just this stupid house. So how am I going to afford this place alone, you know? It just makes me so frustrated and stressed out. And he just doesn't get that. He just doesn't seem to want to understand at all what my problem is with all of this. I feel like he's basically disowned me anyway by cutting me off from the inheritance and giving me a house that I hate. So I don't know. I just don't know, people. Later, y'all.